Hi, thank you so much for joining me for today's tutorial on how to add a new colour to your knitting work. Now, as a new knitter, this process can seem quite daunting. However, there was really only one rule to remember when adding a new colour, whether that is adding a new ball of your existing colour or changing to a new colour completely. The rule is that you only add the new colour at the beginning of your row. Okay, so don't add in the middle of a row. If you find that you're in the middle of a row and you run out of yarn, then I would advise unpicking those stitches, going back to the beginning of the row and adding it here. Okay, so that is the only rule of changing colour that you need to remember. Okay, so how do we do it? We take our needle and we pop it through as if we were going to knit the stitch as normal. Now, instead of picking up the working yarn that we've been using, we're going to pick up our new colour or a new ball of the existing colour if that's what you need to join in. The process will be exactly the same. So taking the tail of your new ball of wool or your new colour, we are going to lay the new colour in between the two needles here. Okay, and with the tail end facing away from me. Okay, and you want to give yourself quite a nice tail because you need to weave this in at the end. So you don't want it too short. You need to give yourself a little bit of length on this tail. So once the yarn is resting between the needles here, what I'm going to do is take this little tail end along with my old working yarn, and I'm going to hold them out of the way in my left hand, which just leaves me with the new colour here. And then we're going to carry on knitting this stitch as normal. So we're going to pull through. You can see now it's picked up the grey and off. Okay, and then just pull. And still holding the old working tail and the tail of our new colour, we're going to just knit the next stitch along. Okay, and then what I'm going to do now is turn my work, and you just now want to secure the old working end with the tail of your new colour. So all we're going to do is we're just going to tie a little knot in the back here just to secure those two colours, and then we just snip that old working yarn away. And now you're ready to carry on working with your new colour all the way across your row. So I do hope this little tutorial has given you a little confidence in adding new colours to your knitting work or adding a new ball of your existing colour. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you found this video useful, and do subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.